last time we were together, we talked about the octet rule and how atoms become ions to satisfy it. And in this worksheet, we're going to talk more about that, and it'll just spell it out for us. So in the first example, we have potassium. Potassium is here, and it asks you to say which group it's in. So if I look here, it's in the first group. It's in group 1. I know that the metals are on this side, and non-metals are on this side. And you should have that from 8th grade. Alright, so it's a metal. Then number of valence electrons. Because it's in group 1, that means that it has one valence electron. And if you recall, we can draw the Lewis-Dot structure like that. So potassium wants to have an octet, but to do so, it should lose this electron, and then once it does that, this electron will be gone, and it'll have the electron configuration of argon. So it wants to lose the electron, and because it's losing a negative, it becomes positive, and you call it a positive potassium cation. Well, a potassium cation. Alright, let's do the second one. Iodine. So iodine's right here. So it's in group 17. It is a nonmetal. It has 7 valence electrons, and it has to gain 1. So generally, you're going to lose up to 3 and gain 3. 4 is in the middle. 4 is a little bit different. We'll talk about 4 later. So in this case, we have 7 valence electrons. It wants 1 more. When it gains this, it'll become iodine negative, and it'll be an anion of iodine. Because it has 7, so we have iodine with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And by gaining 1 more, that's the extra electron it's gaining, it'll have the electron configuration of xenon. So that's how you work out this handout. You look for the group, you see if it's a metal or non-metal. Generally, non-metals are on this side, metals are on this side, and then we have metalloids. We'll talk about metalloids soon. You tell me how many it's going to gain or lose. So for this handout, you're usually going to be on this side or on that side. Nothing here in the middle where it's weird. And tell me what the charge will be.